Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for May 16 to 31, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 3rd anniversary promo, 25% discount sa tarot reading services. Extended yan hanggang May 31, 2024. So kapag nag-book kayo ngayong May, yung link ay nasa description at sa pinned comment kung paano kayo magbo-book. Okay, let's see. Energy update for you, Leo. May 16 to 31, 2024. May 16 to 31. Okay. You have the Page of Cups. May bagong inspiration. Yung iba, maaring may bagong member sa family, may baby. Pwedeng isa yun to or sa kapamilya mo. This can also mean a new person in your life, no? Maaring merong dumarating sa buhay mo ngayon. This can be someone who is, can be an Aries, no? Four of Swords, Ace of Pentacles. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo possible na meron ding new opportunities in terms of your career, your business. May bagong magsisimula. Na can be a new job or starting a new business. Also, you will focus on yourself rin, no? Pagpapahinga. Ayan. Being in control of your life. Oo, pahinga ka rin daw. Four of Swords. This can also mean healing from your past situation. Wow, some of you may opportunities rin abroad or can be a business na international trading. Yeah. So, let's see. Ano ang overall energy ninyo? Two of Pentacles. You're busy. Busy ka sa mga trabaho or mga priorities mo ngayon. It seems na marami kang ginagawa. Pwedeng dalawang trabaho, pinagsasabay mo, or yung career mo, tsaka yung family life. Yung challenge is the Ace of Cups. This can mean pwedeng itong bagong person na dumarating sa buhay mo ay hindi ka pa sigurado, no? Pwedeng you are still healing from your past. Pero I think itong person na to, siya parang determinado, no? Decidido. So, nasa sa'yo yan if you're going to let this person get to know you, no? Nakilalanin ka ng lubos. Some of you naman, kung merong nagsusorry or nag-a-ask ng forgiveness, pwedeng hindi ka pa ready to forgive this person, no? So, your opportunity is the Queen of Swords. So, ngayon parang ka ngayon, mas logical ka mag-isip, no? Hindi ka na madaling mauto or hindi ka na madaling makumbinse. So, for you, nire-review mo, nire-reassess mo muna lahat bago mo gawin, bago mo tanggapin, bago mo i-welcome sa buhay mo. And your blessing is the Knight of Pentacles. So, stability in your finances. Pwedeng sa ngayon, kung ano yung meron ka, pinagpapatuloy mo lang, no? Yung trabaho mo, yung business mo. Smooth naman siya. Although, sa ngayon, pwedeng hindi mo pa nakikita yung growth ng trabaho, career, or ng business mo. But, it is evolving, no? Kumbaga, it takes some time para magpabunga ng isang puno, 'di ba? Oo. So, for you, kung talagang very much invested ka rito sa trabaho, career, or business mo, mas magiging blessing sa'yo to kung willing ka na mag-invest rin ng oras, panahon, at to be more patient. Kasi lahat naman yan ay makikita mo yung results. Let's see, what is the Two of Pentacles? Eight of Staves, okay. Yeah, ang dami mong work, no? Yung tipong, pwedeng more on traveling ka rin ngayong second half ng May. Running errands, no? Yung tipong sinasabay mo sa trabaho mo yung mga kailangan mo ring asikasuhin for yourself, like yung mga IDs, yung mga government na mga transactions mo sa government, or sinasabay mo sa business mo. What is the Ace of Cups? The Hanged Man. Oo nga. Hindi ka pa sure dito sa person na to that is coming into your life, that is entering into your life. Siguro, iniisip mo ba kung ready ka na? Of course, no? Kung ready ka, saka ka papasok sa relationship. Pero kung hindi ka pa ready, wag mong ipilit kasi pwedeng yung energy from your past, pwedeng ilipat mo dito sa bago eh. Yung iba naman, hindi, parang meron kayong iniiwasan ngayon na kausapin. Kahit na nagre-reach out sa inyo, pwede kasing itong person na to is talagang na-disappoint kayo sa ginawa niya. No? So, ngayon, iwas-iwas muna kayo. Ayaw nyo muna makipag-usap. What is the Queen of Swords? You have the Knight of Vessels. Okay. I feel like you are blocking someone. Merong nanunuyo, merong nagre-reach out, but it seems na nasabi mo sa isip mo na sa sarili mo na enough is enough. Pwede kasi itong person na to ay paulit-ulit lang yung ginagawang kalokohan, tapos feeling mo nakakapagod na. Oo. So, sa ngayon, binibigyan mo ng lesson tong person na to. The Devil. Oh, okay. So, I think you are focused on establishing your money, no? Yung pera. Kasi ang The Devil is energy ng Capricorn. Capricorn is related to business or to focusing more on money. So, kung talagang ikaw ay willing to palaguin yung iyong mga investments, negosyo, or even your career, no? Some people nag-o-obsess sa ganun eh. May mga magagandang obsession, 'di ba? When you are obsessed into something like sa career mo, talagang makikita mo yung resulta niyan na magiging successful ka kasi yun yung focus mo eh. So for your money, career, finances, King of Swords, the Death card. So transformation, major change in your career, in your finances. Some of you merong leadership role dito, no? Maaring may promotion, or yung iba you are changing your industry, kung saang parang changing, example, from BPO to business, or from sales and marketing to food, pagluluto, 'di ba? Nine of Vessels. Yes, I feel like you are finding your happiness. Importante sa'yo kung saan ka masaya, saan ka fulfilled pagdating sa career mo. Your relationship, Four Pentacles, Queen of Cups. I think sa ngayon, ikikip mo lang yung mga taong sa tingin mo ay worth it ng iyong pagmamahal, ng iyong care. Oo. Five of Vessels. Merong losses dito. So, maaring may mga tao kang nabaliwala, no, in the past, na ngayon, pwedeng nagkakaroon ka ng regrets na, ay, sayang, mahal pala ako nito, or, ay, sayang, siya, talagang, this person really values me. So, I think ngayon, nare-realize mo na kung sino yung mga taong dapat mong i-keep sa buhay mo. Debilitated, discomfort. Okay, some of you, maaring may mga gusto kayong gawin sa ngayon na nagdadalawang isip kayo because you're not sure if magiging maayos yung kahihinatnan. 10th house. This can mean sa career. So, I think this is something to do with yung sinasabi ko sa inyong change or transformation sa inyong career. But, ang importante kasi rito is kung saan ka masaya, saan ka mas fulfilled, go for it. O, 'di ba? Career talaga, Leo, ang focus nyo ngayong second half ng May. Meron din kayong short travel. Kaya yung iba busy. See, goal-oriented person kayo. So, focusing on your goal. So, I think ang focus nyo, money. Okay? And your career. So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. Bye.